Hello everybody, it is December 30th, Wednesday here. We're just going to talk quickly about Zilliqa and see what our new price prediction should be. Yesterday we were somewhere around this area here, and then we anticipated the price to drop all the way maybe to the 80, 78, 79 region, which it did, and we based that on the fact that if we go to the 6 hour, we clearly see these higher highs that we formed here. After we broke above this resistance line, we actually shot up, went back down to retest, and then shot right back up, and this is where we were looking at it yesterday. For the most part now, we said that hey, it's gonna go down to the 0.08 region, 0.0798, and it did. It found that support and then shot right back up almost 90%, closing that candle it had before. But it looked like this didn't hold, and it actually did break above it. So if we're looking to the daily right now, just to see what the indicators are telling us, but before we even get to that, looks like for the longest time we were finding support between the 8 EMA and the 21 EMA region. So every time we stray away from it, we try to come back to that zone, then we find that support. We go above, go sideways, find support at it here, and then shoot up. Same thing. Shoot back down, find support, then always shoot up. So now this is almost the first, maybe couple of candles here that we're trying to find that support again. Does that mean so within the next 2 hours here, we're having the candle try to close above? If we find this here, it is showing us that the buyers are coming in. So we're having this long wick still within the next 2 hours. We want to see how that plays out. But definitely supported the 8 EMA. And now if we're looking down towards our RSI is also telling us that, hey, this is bearish. So we are trying to retrace back. We did that double top here, which is a very bearish sign while your price is actually going up. And same thing on the MACD, we're seeing that, hey, it is also taken down. If we go maybe to the 4 hour here, I think we'll get a bit more details. So now, for the longest time, same thing, 8 EMA and 21 EMA, we're finding that support and we're always shooting up. We tried again at the 21 EMA at this region, it helped us out, we went up, but now it all got squeezed up, and then obviously the sellers came in, sold everything, and now we tried to find support at the 55 EMA. So at the 4 hour, if we're also looking, we have a nice volume spike indicating that, hey, so this candle isn't necessarily bearish, right? It's showing indecisiveness more towards the bullish side. So we did have a bit more buyers, but just the fact we're having the equal length of the wick here on this side is telling us that, hey, this is still indecisive, so let's not start assuming. But we did find the support on 55 EMA, which is good because we did shoot up high, and because we're shooting up high, the fall should be also equivalent in terms of retracement, and we did that. We fell below the typical support that we find usually, and then we went to the 55 EMA. So this could be the reversal point, but we need to close above these levels here. We need to close above this zone before we can actually assume anything. And now the RSI's in the oversold region, not the oversold fully, but it's going there, and the EMA is showing us signs of a trend reversal in terms of the momentum. So this could be it somewhere here, but we need to see how that plays out. If we go to the 1 hour, on the 1 hour, this is what's kind of alarming at the moment. This is what I usually use for my day trading or swing trading. I like entering a long every time we get close to the 100 EMA and the 200 EMA. So you can tell here, every time we come close to it, we shoot up. Every time we shoot up from it, we try to come back to it. So it acts like a magnet. And every time we actually go close to it, boom, shoots up, again, shoots up. Same thing here, shoots up. And now we actually broke below it for the first time. And we did find the support at 200 EMA. The 200 EMA is just taking more inputs compared to the 100 EMA. But looks like right now we did form this. And if we zoom in a bit, the only thing that's a bit concerning is the fact that we're having a lot of wicks Obviously, there's a bit more buyers, but we're having a lot of sell volume as we go down, specifically with this candle over here. This is just, we tried the first time to push back past the 100 EMA, and then the seller said no. Again, we tried again, we didn't even reach it. We tried again, can't close above it. And now it looks like we are actually at the moment trying to close above. So within the next 2 minutes here, looks like if we close above, that's actually a good sign, right? So this could be a good sign. This could be the sign of a reversal. And we're seeing the volume spike here. And the nice thing is that if we zoom out a bit, the RSI, we are bottoming down at this area, and we just shot right back up. So we could have, this could be on a smaller time scale, a trend reversal coming up. So let's see what happens. We need to close above and then try to push somewhere above there just to show more signs of a strength. The MACD right now, we just had a crossover to the upside. So we are seeing signs that, hey, this wants to go up. How far up? We will definitely find resistance at the 80, which we're trying to push through right now. We will definitely find resistance at the 0.085. So, but this is a very nice, very nice, could be forming maybe a cup and handle, but we are trying to push through it. So the daily showing us that this is bearish, and we might keep on going down, but the hourly on the other hand is showing us that, hey, we could be reversing now. So you would need to find a confluence between the hourly, then once the maybe the 2 hours starts showing those signs too. The RSI is also here in a bit of the oversold region. The MACD has been ticking down, so we're the hourly and the 2 hour chart are telling us the same thing. The 4 hour, not so much yet. We could have maybe a couple more candles, but the MACD is showing us that. So this could be the moment where we are actually reversing our trend. So let's see how it plays out. Let me know if I missed anything, and let me know what your thoughts are here. Maybe there's a couple things I'm not seeing, but we are trending back up, and we just need to show a bit more signs of strength so we can actually shoot up past the levels we had before. If not, then this thing is going down, maybe again to the 65 region, maybe to the 70 region. Who knows, right? We anticipate the market, we try to react to possible scenarios that come up, but we never take anything for granted. So that's what the market will teach you, and if not quick, then definitely the hard way. So thank you for watching, and please comment, like, share, and subscribe, and we will see you soon.